another one of my recipes. My name is JB Rose, singing Vegan Mum. I'm going to be making something very simple, sweet corn fritters, but I'm going to flavour it with jerk seasoning, and I'm going to add a little guacamole and a beetroot salad to go with it. As usual, my week's been very, very interesting, and you can see all about that at the end of this recipe. But for now, let's get into it. Whole wheat flour, and then I'm going to add some chickpea flour to it as well. So I have also ready chopped some onions and some garlic, and we're going to just add those in together. And I'm just going to again mix that up. Some turmeric, just to give it a little bit of colour. Lots and lots of generous black pepper. I'm doing mixed herbs in here. Lovely. Season all, fresh is best, and then mix it all up. So, oh, and of course, the sweet corn, which I put in a nice glass. So mix it all up, and of course some sea salt. I use Himalayan sea salt. So here we go. Running out, but never mind. And then I'm just going to add about 2 ounces of olive oil, and then I'm going to add some plant milk. I'm using almond milk to get a nice smooth consistency. I'm going to drop my fritters like that. Cook it in a ring, ready for a lovely dinner party. So we are on the last legs. The fritters are in the oven, and as you've seen, I've got my avocado, my onions, and some garlic in here. I squeezed some lemon in here already, and I'm literally going to crush up my avocado and onions together. Then I'm going to add in the gherkin, a little bit of salt, not too much salt because I like the taste of avocado as it is really, and some black pepper. And we're nearly there. So my avocado is all done, all crushed up. Lovely. I had to add a little bit more black pepper because it needed a bit more zing. I made salad in advance. Tasting delicious. Now it's time to get out the lovely fritters. And let's see. So amazing, and I've been waiting. Lovely, lovely colour from the turmeric. And I'm just gonna get the nice shaped ones, round ones. That'll do you. And the other ones I'm gonna put on a plate like that, so you can see what's going down. The other ones are odd shape. I'm not gonna present those ones. Now I did this in about 20 minutes. So if you're at home working, you can make yourself a lovely healthy lunch and feel no way. So let me show you. It's the big taste test time. Shall we try the avocado? The gherkin gives it a real nice crunch. I'm going to try the guacamole with a little bit of the beetroot salad that I made. See that lovely colour? Delicious. And once again, you can taste a little bit of that jerk seasoning, but not too much. So as I said, my week's been really interesting. So check it out. Ocean deep, together we will always be. Ooh, rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow, sea blue, green. Once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Tell me what you think. Try the recipes out and let me know how it all goes. See you next time. Have a blessed week. Delicious. Come to